6.2 says calculate the coordinates of A and B. A and B, as we see from our graph, are x-intercepts. Now, these are called x-intercepts, or you can also call them roots. In order to find what these values are, referring to them as x-intercepts might be more insightful, because with x-intercepts, we know one thing to be true: y is always equal to 0. So if y is equals to 0 on our graph of f, and f, which is also y, is equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3, we simply need to equate y to 0 to get x squared minus 2x minus 3, which represents y, equal to 0. Then once it's like this, the best way to solve for x is by forming your two brackets, or you can use your quadratic formula at this point. So if you decide to use the factorization method, then we look at minus 3, factors of minus 3 that we can add to get minus 2. So here we can put our x values in the meantime, and we have 3 and 1. Those are the only two factors we have for 3. Can we combine this to get minus 2? Yes. If we make the 3 negative and the 1 positive, so making 3 negative and 1 positive, if we add these up, we get minus 2. And if we multiply them, we get minus 3. So therefore, everything is okay with this factorization. Then we can say x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then we can find our values. X is equal to 3, or x is equals to negative 1. And then it's important to remember that they asked for coordinates, so we still need to write it in coordinate form for A and B. So A will be the negative 1. That will be negative 1, y value 0. B will be 3, y value 0. Remember, the y value being 0 is coming from the fact that these are x-intercepts lying on the line y is equals to 0. So you can call the x-intercept y is equals to 0.